In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix date and time settings in Gmail. This process is essential if you want to ensure your emails are correctly timestamped, which can help you stay organized and keep everything running smoothly. Let's dive right in and get your Gmail account set up accurately. First, you'll want to open Gmail and look for the grid icon, which you'll find conveniently at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this takes you to several Google services, but right now we're interested in the calendar. Find the calendar icon and give it a click. This will open up your Google Calendar in a new tab, providing a comprehensive overview of your schedule. Next, we're heading into the settings. Look towards the top of the calendar page to spot the settings icon. It's typically represented by a gear symbol, usually positioned at the upper right corner. Clicking on this icon will present you with a drop-down menu, from which you'll choose the settings option. By doing this, you're diving deeper into your calendar's customization features. Now that you're in the settings, let's address the first important detail, the current time zone. You'll see a list of different options in the left-hand menu. Among them, look for time zone. Clicking this will allow you to update your current time zone so that all your events and emails reflect the right times. This step is crucial, especially if you've recently moved to a different time zone or if you've noticed that your emails have been off JIT schedule. After setting the time zone correctly, it's time to check the date format. This could be particularly useful if you're working internationally or simply prefer a format that's different from the default. Within the settings, navigate to the section where you can alter the date format. There you'll find options like MMDDYYYY or DDMMYYYY. Choose the one that fits your preference and lifestyle. Finally, let's modify the time format, which dictates whether your times appear in a 12-hour or 24-hour format. Again, this is about what makes most sense for you personally. Many people prefer the 24-hour format, especially for clarity and to avoid any AM or PM mix-ups, but it's all about what works best for your daily routines. Making these adjustments ensures that your calendar and emails communicate times clearly, without any unnecessary headaches. With all these settings in place, your Gmail calendar should now reflect the exact date and time preferences that suit your needs. By keeping your settings up to date, you ensure that your appointments, reminders, and email timestamping are always correct, helping you manage your schedule with ease. Thanks for following along and improving your Gmail experience with us today.